Ever found yourself wondering how to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading, specifically when it comes to a promising blockchain like Cardano? You're not alone. Many are drawn to Cardano's innovative technology and its mission to create a more sustainable and scalable blockchain ecosystem. And Gemini, a reputable and user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange, provides a great platform to access it. But where do you even begin? How do you move from simply being curious about Cardano to actually trading it confidently and securely on Gemini? That's precisely what we're going to break down for you today. Forget the overly technical jargon and the confusing interfaces. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to buy, sell, and even explore the advanced trading features for Cardano on Gemini. Think of this as your personal guide, whether you're a complete crypto newbie or someone looking to add Cardano to your existing portfolio on a reliable exchange. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to understanding the trading interface and executing your first Cardano trade. So, if you're ready to dive in and learn how to trade Cardano on Gemini, stick around. We've got you covered. Before we jump into the practical steps, let's briefly touch upon why Cardano has garnered so much attention. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum, Cardano is a third-generation blockchain platform built with a research-first, peer-reviewed approach. Its focus on scalability, sustainability, and interoperability has attracted a strong community and significant development activity. The native cryptocurrency of the Cardano blockchain is ADA, which is what you'll be trading on Gemini. Understanding the underlying principles and goals of Cardano can provide valuable context as you begin your trading journey. It's not just about the price charts, it's about the technology and the vision behind it. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, how to actually trade Cardano on Gemini. The first crucial step, if you haven't already, is to create and verify your Gemini account. This is a standard procedure for all regulated cryptocurrency exchanges, designed to ensure security and compliance. Head over to the Gemini website or download their mobile app. You'll be prompted to sign up, providing basic information like your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password and consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, right from the start. 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your account, requiring a second verification step, usually a code from an authenticator app or SMS, in addition to your password when you log in or make withdrawals. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Once you've signed up, you'll need to go through the verification process, often referred to as Know Your Customer, KYC. This typically involves providing further personal details, such as your address and date of birth, and uploading identification documents like a government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Gemini, as a regulated exchange, is legally required to perform these checks to prevent fraud and ensure the integrity of the platform. The verification process might take a few hours or sometimes a day or two, so it's best to complete it as soon as possible. With your account created and verified, the next step is to fund it. You'll need to deposit funds into your Gemini account before you can buy Cardano. Gemini offers several deposit methods, including bank transfers, ACH, wire transfers, and even other cryptocurrencies. The availability and processing times for each method may vary depending on your location and banking institution. For most beginners, ACH transfers are a convenient option. You'll need to link your bank account to your Gemini account, which usually involves verifying your bank details through a microdeposit process. Gemini will send a couple of small deposits to your bank account, and you'll need to confirm the amounts on the Gemini platform to verify the connection. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate deposits in your local fiat currency, e.g., USD, Euro, GBP, depending on your region. Keep in mind that there might be a holding period before your deposited funds are fully available for trading, so factor this into your plans. If you already hold other cryptocurrencies, you can also deposit them into your Gemini wallet. Simply navigate to the deposit section, select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, in this case, if you have Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example, and Gemini will provide you with a deposit address. Be extremely careful when sending cryptocurrencies to ensure you are using the correct network and address. Sending crypto to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start trading Cardano. Navigate to the trading interface on Gemini. This is where you'll see the price charts, order books, and the options to buy and sell Cardano, ADA. The interface might look a bit overwhelming at first, but we'll break down the key elements. You'll typically see a price chart for the ADA/USD, or your local currency, trading pair. This chart displays the historical price movements of Cardano against that fiat currency over different time frames, e.g., minutes, hours, days, weeks. You can use this to analyze price trends and make informed trading decisions. Below or to the side of the price chart, you'll usually find the order book. The order book is a real-time list of buy and sell orders for Cardano at different price levels. The bids are the prices that buyers are willing to pay for Cardano, and the asks are the prices at which sellers are willing to sell. The order book provides insight into the current supply and demand for Cardano and can help you understand the prevailing market sentiment. To actually buy or sell Cardano, you'll need to place an order. Gemini offers different order types, the most common being market orders and limit orders. A market order is the simplest type of order. When you place a market buy order, you are instructing Gemini to buy Cardano at the best available current price. Similarly, a market sell order executes at the best available current selling price. Market orders are executed quickly, but you may not get the exact price you see on the screen due to the dynamic nature of the market. A limit order allows you to specify the exact price at which you want to buy or sell Cardano. For a buy limit order, your order will only be executed if the price of Cardano drops to or below your specified limit price. For a sell limit order, your order will only be executed if the price of Cardano rises to or above your specified limit price. Limit orders give you more control over the price you pay or receive, but there's no guarantee that your order will be filled if the market price doesn't reach your limit. When placing an order, you'll need to specify the amount of Cardano you want to buy or sell, either in ADA or in your fiat currency equivalent. Double-check all the details before confirming your order, including the order type, price, if it's a limit order, and the amount. Once you're sure, click the buy or sell button. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.